Today I show you what I found in the IKEA offer zone, or the bazaar, or I'm not sure exactly how they call it. You know, in IKEA they have a section where they sell the returned items, the things that people didn't want, or some packages were broken in the transport. They will sell them at a lower price, usually as is. When you see this as is, that's when you know it's from that place. The warranty is a little bit different on that, so I'm not sure if it's always a good idea to buy from there, especially if the reduction of the price is not great. But this one, for example, it was normally the price is €549 and then it's €350, 36%. It's just a power plug. I thought I wanted to buy one of these things, and then I saw it in the offer zone. I thought, why not get this one? I mean, it doesn't look like it's damaged. I don't think they would sell them if they were damaged in any way. And probably they check it before. I'm not sure about that. And I also found these things. I was thinking to buy these, but I bought the cheaper ones that I have a video about them, the cable organizers. These are more interesting because they are mobile. You can, IKEA half skull. It's always difficult to pronounce the name of these things. So the regular price for this is $3.99 and I paid $2.50, 37%. I wish they did deals of like 50% off, but okay. It's just the weight, it's just a magnet with weight, so it's not such a big problem. This one here, this one, I believe it was a better deal. It's a light, and then you can have this on batteries. And it also has some kind of mounting stand. It's 1.1 watts and CRI 80, and the price for this one usually is $15.99 and I got it for €4. I believe this is pretty good. They have some references. They have some references here about which order, and it's LED tagvirk or something like this. Yeah, I believe it was returned. I mean, someone probably thought this is on running with a power adapter, but turns out it's running on batteries. And I'm thinking maybe to try to run this on USB-C. That would be a nice, interesting project to try. So yeah, this is what I got from IKEA, and I wanted to get two of these. There were two, but eventually I only got one. And these three things. For me, the IKEA offer zone is really like Christmas time. I always look there for something when I go to IKEA. Usually they have lots of things that are not really interesting, but sometimes they have some really interesting things, especially when I can buy something that I really like. I bought the wireless charger from them before. I made a video with it. It's still working, so it's just things with the packages that are damaged or returned items, and especially like this one, if it's 75% less, why not buy this one? I didn't need this lamp, but only for the clamp and for this arm. And I like that the power is not too much. It's 1.1 watts, so I can make this into a night light. I can turn this into a night light to bypass the battery, ignore the batteries. I am sure it will not work when the batteries are being charged, or maybe you have to replace the batteries. It's even worse. I don't think it has a USB plug or any power plug. So in the package is just these things without batteries. And yeah, probably because it's only 1.1 watts, it will last a long time. So we'll see. This is supposed to be for outdoor. I'll make a video with each one, show you how they look like, what they do. Thanks for watching. If you go to IKEA, in the offer zone, what offers you found, what things you bought from there that was really interesting. I really like that place. It's like such an interesting place. You find some really good deals there. Thanks for watching.